Dear students, today we shall be talking about another concept of game theory, and that is saddle point. How to calculate saddle point. So let's understand it through one question we have got on the board. There is a 3 by 3 matrix, right? So here A has got 3 strategies and B has got 3 strategies, right? So now we have to calculate saddle point for this game, right? So what we will be doing, first of all, we need to identify the minimum element of each row, right? The minimum element of each row, always remember, first of all, in row we have to find out the minimum element, right? So just see, in first row, right, what is minimum? Minimum is -3, so we are going to write over here -3. In second row, what is minimum? It is 0, right? And in third row, what is minimum? It is -4, right? So these are the minimum elements of different rows. Now we are coming to the column. Always remember, in column side we are going to find out the maximum element, right? So in the first column, what is the maximum element? That is 5, right? In the second column, what is the maximum element? It is 0. And in third column, what is maximum element? It is 6, right? Now see, again I am repeating what I have done. I have, in row, I have found out the minimum element in row. So for first row, minimum is -3, for second row minimum is 0, and for third row minimum is -4, right? And what we have done in column, we have found out the maximum element. So for the first column, look at the board, the maximum element is 5. For the second column, the maximum element is 0, and for third column, the maximum element is 6, right? Now what we'll be doing, we'll be following the principle of, right, maximin and minimax, right? So for row, we have found out the minimum element. So always start from the back. Minimum we have found out. Now we are going to see what is the maximum element, right? In that particular, all the elements. So what is maximum? Maximum is 0, so we are going to cover it through a rectangle, right? Now we will be looking for the minimum element in the column, right? Always start from the back. Maximum we have found out. Now we will go for minimum. So in column, what is minimum? Minimum is 0, so we are going to cover it with the circle. Now we are going to see where they coincide. If they coincide, both these elements coincide, right, they are common, then we can say there exists a saddle point in the game, and that game has the pure strategy, right? So we see that this is common. 0 is common, they coincide over here, right? So this will be called as saddle point, right? And now we are going to find out the strategy for A and B and the value of the game. So let's see the strategy for A, right, is which one? Second, right? And the best strategy for B is also second. The best strategy for B is also second strategy, right? And the value, third thing is the value of the game. The value of the game is 0, whatever value you have for saddle point, that will be your value of the game. So the value of the game will be 0, right? So this is all about calculation of saddle point, right? In game theory it is very easy. So whenever we have saddle point in the game, then we can say that we have pure strategy to, you can say, adopt, right? So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share my video so that other may also be benefited. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.